Alright, here we are with the JJRC micro foldable drone set, and it comes with two really cool drones. However, in our package we got one black non-working drone and one great little white one. So let's show you guys what happens when you turn this one on. And we've been fiddling with the calibration for a long time, but the best we could get out of it is, yeah, let's turn it back on. Here it goes. Come on. That. So no matter how you calibrate it, something's wrong with the propellers, and only one is really strong, and it seems to just want to do that over and over and over. And we've been trying to mess around with this to sort of, and this for the rotate, but no matter how many times you press it, it still does that. And I've tried to push this all the way to the right or something, or all the way to the left to get some kind of thing, but nothing. So as far as we're concerned, I think that's pretty much dead on arrival. When it comes to being able to use this, it's absolutely useless. It's mostly for spare parts. Alright, so Julia, now you can demonstrate how the other one works, because the other one is working beautifully. So you can show how that goes any way you want. Just fly it a little bit. No, turn it off first and then turn it on so it can pair to the machine. There you go, you got it, I think. And then whenever you're ready, it should. There we go. I think it's paired. There we go. This one works perfectly fine. Not, oh, oops. Yeah. Because you smash it against the side, but the propeller does go back on if that happens. So not a biggie. And we will demonstrate that in a second.
I just put it back on.
Yeah, good. Go ahead. Fly it off again, and make sure. Yeah, that's good. So, if the machine is working well, then it's fantastic. But if the machine comes in broken, then there isn't a whole lot you can do about it. And you can get pretty good hovers with it. And yeah, if a 7-year-old can do it, then it's a pretty good drone. Alright, so those are my final thoughts on the JJRC foldable drone micro set, and hopefully we will get a replacement for the broken one or a refund for the broken one. Alrighty.
See you next time.